Trumpet, page 17, line number 70, Down in the Valley. Now this is one of my favorite American folk songs, and it goes like this. Down in the valley, valley so low, I met my sweetheart so long ago. Now for some of us, the melody might be familiar, but the words are weird. They're not. This is one that most of us might be a little bit like closer with. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. Yeah, you know that one. So that's the actual song that we're about to play. And you'll notice, in addition to our key signature, what note is still flat? B flat. Our time signature, which is 3/4. And the fact that it has dynamics. How many different dynamics do we have? 2. Now, we have the forte, which we've met once before. And forte doesn't just mean loud, it means strong, fuerte. And then there's another one. So look about halfway through each of these lines, because there's 2 of them. And you'll notice that it has this little letter P. Now, the P, instead of the F standing for forte, the P stands for piano, which means quietly, softly. So we have a strong forte and a soft piano. So let's see if we can make those differences with our air. By the way, just the sheer amount of air, how much push you have going on here, is going to determine how loud or how soft your note is. And brass players, we always have an interesting time near the beginning of our playing careers figuring out how to play high notes quietly. And it's a bit of trial and error. You have to keep the speed of the buzz going, but you have to be gentle with how much compression you push on your air. So how hard you're pushing it out of your body. Because big wall of air, that's going to be forte, loud. Or soft, gentle. Almost sounds kind of fuzzy. So we want to find that happy balance between those 2 places. Let's go ahead and learn our note letter names for Down in the Valley, and then we'll play through it. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready. C, F, G, A, F, A, G, F, G, C, E, G, B flat, G, E, F, G, F. Now, did you notice how, I said that B flat, but also did you hear how I sang it louder when it said forte, the F under my notes? And then I sang it quieter when I saw the P, piano, under my notes. And if you can do the singing of it loud and soft, that compression of your air, how much air you use to play it loud or soft or sing it loud and soft, is very similar to the air that you will use to blow through your instrument to do the same thing. So maybe try singing it first. Now let's play it about the same speed that we just clapped through it. 1, 2, 3, starts forte, ready. differences there? Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster, and you might notice that it's actually easier to control a lot of that, especially the air, once you're comfortable with the fingers and you're not as afraid to blow some air through the instrument. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready.